happens when machines do everything? When AI replaces your job, your friend's job, and even the CEOs? Who will still have money to spend? Who will buy anything if we don't have jobs? This is the most common question people ask under my AI videos. And today we're going to answer it once and for all, because the truth is more surprising, more uncomfortable, and maybe even more exciting than you expect. Let's get started. Will AI really replace all jobs? First, we have to talk about fear. A report from the World Economic Forum recently predicted that 85 million jobs could be replaced by automation before the end of this year. Another from Goldman Sachs estimated that nearly two-thirds of all current occupations could be partially automated by AI. Scary? Sure. But here's something even more important. This isn't the first time humanity has faced this. A Quartz article traced our fear of automation all the way back to the late 1500s. 500 years of people saying, the machines are coming for our jobs. And yet here we are, still working. The truth is that most of the jobs we know today didn't even exist 80 years ago. Think about it. Cloud architect, app developer, Uber driver, YouTuber. None of these jobs existed a few decades ago. So, yes, AI will eliminate jobs, but it will also create new ones and very different ones. Do you think AI will destroy more jobs than it creates? Why this time might be different. In the past, industrial revolutions happened slowly. People had time to adapt, retrain, adjust. But AI is moving fast, really fast. Some experts believe it's happening too fast for humans to catch up. Companies like Anthropic and OpenAI are releasing AI tools that can write code, create music, design graphics, and even diagnose medical conditions. Ahmad Mostake, founder of Stability AI, predicts that most freelance software developers will be out of work within 2 years. So the question becomes, is this time different? Will we see job destruction faster than job creation? The 3 scenarios of the future. Let's break down what could happen next into 3 major scenarios. The pessimistic future. In this version of the future, millions of jobs disappear permanently. Services like Waymo eliminate taxi and delivery drivers. AI replaces junior staff, marketers, coders, and even analysts. We see mass unemployment, social unrest, and a need for governments to step in with universal basic income. Scenario 2. The optimistic future. Here, AI becomes a tool that empowers people. It helps us do more, faster, like the internet did in the 90s. It reduces costs, improves quality of life, and creates millions of jobs we can't even imagine today. David Friedberg, a prominent entrepreneur, says AI will let people work fewer hours, earn more, and enjoy more freedom. The decentralized future. In this model, people stop working for companies and start working for themselves. The gig economy expands. Everyone becomes a mini entrepreneur. Platforms like Fiverr, YouTube, and Substack become more powerful than companies. Would you support a universal basic income in your country? Subscription CTA plus the real shift. CTA. If you're finding this helpful, subscribe now so you don't miss the rest of the breakdown. Trust me, the most surprising part is coming next. Let's look at what really matters. The structure of the economy itself is changing. It's not just about jobs going away. It's about how value is created. Today, you can start a YouTube channel and earn money from ads, or write a newsletter, or build a personal AI agent that sells services while you sleep. This is individual leverage, and AI supercharges it. MidJourney makes $150 million per year with fewer than 20 employees. Safe Superintelligence is valued at $32 billion with just 30 employees. These are facts, not theories. The universal basic income debate. One proposed solution to mass automation is UBI, universal basic income. The idea is simple. If robots take our jobs, the government pays everyone a basic monthly salary. That way, people still have money to spend and the economy doesn't collapse. Some say this would unleash creativity. If you didn't have to work 60 hours a week to survive, what would you create? What problem would you solve? Others argue UBI would make people lazy, that it would kill motivation. Finland tried it. Employment actually increased slightly. Why? Because when people felt secure, they took more risks, learned new skills, and started businesses. OpenAI has also funded several experiments in this space. The early results are promising. But let's be honest, UBI is expensive and politically controversial. So what's the alternative? New jobs are coming. History suggests that new technology creates new jobs. The printing press eliminated scribes, but created publishers. Factories killed cottage industries, but gave birth to the middle class. McKinsey reports that AI will increase demand for jobs in cybersecurity, AI training, data analysis, mental health, personalized education. And let's not forget the rise of AI prompt engineers, AI ethicists, and model auditors. Plus, a lot of work still requires human interaction. Therapists, coaches, consultants, artists. These jobs won't vanish overnight. Still, here's the key quote from the CEO of Fiverr. Everything that's easy will be automated. The hard things will become the new easy. The impossible will become the new expected. Your role in this future. This is opening your mind to what's possible. Hit that subscribe button, because the next part is where you come in. In this new world, you have two choices. 1. Compete with AI. 2. Use AI to create leverage. Freelancers. Creators. McKinsey found that 1/3 of freelancers earn over $150,000 per year, and they do it in unconventional ways. Supply chain consulting, dog astrology, spiritual coaching, AI consulting. With the right system, niche, and personal brand, the opportunities are unlimited. This isn't hype. It's happening right now. The big problem, education. So what's the real barrier? Education. Most people don't know how to package their skills, find a niche, use AI to create products, build a digital presence, monetize their ideas. And that's the biggest challenge. We need a new type of education, one that teaches people how to be creators, not just employees. Because whether you like it or not, decentralization is happening. It's not a trend. It's a transformation. So if this opened your eyes, give the video a like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more. Remember, AI won't take your job, but someone who knows how to use AI will. That's why I created The Signal, a free newsletter with tools, tutorials, and breaking news on AI. Join us now and stay ahead of the curve. Link in description. Ready to share the future together?